Hello, and welcome to the Justice Journal, brought to you by Sarah Jones Law, PA. Our mission is to provide useful legal news and information to help you better understand circumstances that you or your loved ones might face. Hi, I'm attorney Sarah Jones from Sarah Jones Law, PA, where we bring justice to you. Today, I wanted to do a short video about burglary. I do a lot of criminal defense work, and what I found is a lot of my clients who are charged with burglary don't even really understand why they're charged with burglary because they haven't done the stereotypical go in someone's house and steal things. In Florida, burglary is not simply going in someone's house and stealing things. Burglary actually has a very broad definition. So in Florida, what the law says is that if you enter into a structure or a conveyance with the intent to commit a crime, then you've committed a burglary. And if you're accused of doing those things, you will often be charged with burglary. So I just kind of wanted to break down what that means and help you understand why you or someone that you know might have been charged with a burglary. So we'll start with the first part, entry. Like I said, the law says you have to enter into a structure or a conveyance with the intent to commit a crime. So what does entry mean? Well, it means what you would normally think, right? You go inside of a car or a house or some other type of structure. But entry can also just mean a part of your body went in. For example, if someone were to break a window in the attempt to go into someone else's house, the fact that their hand went into the window when they broke it may be considered a burglary, and they may be charged with a burglary along with other property crimes for breaking that window. Let's go to the next part, into a structure or a conveyance. So a structure is exactly what it sounds like. It's a building. Parts of the law provide for maybe a yard to be included or a structure to be a shed or something other than a house that you would live in. A structure can also be a commercial building. Also a conveyance. A conveyance is anything basically that transports humans from one place to another. So that can be a car, a truck, an RV, a boat, something that's intended to transport humans. So if you enter into a structure or a conveyance with the intent to commit a crime, then you may be charged with a burglary. Again, if you're accused of those things, you may be charged with a burglary. Whether or not you're guilty is another matter entirely. You should definitely contact an attorney if you've been charged with a burglary. The reason for that is because the penalties for burglary are very severe. Even the least severe type of burglary is a felony in the third degree, which is punishable by up to 5 years in prison. The most serious types of burglary are first degree felonies, and some of them are punishable by life. Based on those facts, you should definitely get in touch with a criminal defense attorney who's experienced in handling burglaries so that they can help you to get the best result possible in your case. If you'd like to call my office, you can set up an appointment by calling 863-455-4811 or going to joneslawjustice.com.